Короче, попала нам в руки камера. Спасибо Джину, решили намутить приглашение вон туда. Поехали.
Listen how my words flow to lines, constructing the verses for the rhyme. Thought patterns designed to shine, like the 99 attributes of the creator. Chords faders, lead the DJ to scratch the wax. Vocal cords react like fire and pins at night slugs from gats. Aggressive lyrics attack the track, because my eardrums are tired of the primetime whack. So my creative dimensions expand throughout the land, produce the fattest jam to supply your master man for the raw shit, the hardcore shit, berserker type of carnivore shit, leaving mad brain cells lit. I don't know how to quit, cause I'm too legit. Best believe when I arrive, here comes explicit lyrics. Chickens grab the spliff, niggas grab the fifth as I rip this microphone and feed your hip-hop spirit. Here's a little something for my niggas to feel. Break them off a piece of that ghetto appeal. If you paid your fucking dues, son, you know the rules done.
Stop, look and listen. Holla back, baby.
Here's a little something for my niggas to feel. Break them off a piece of that ghetto appeal. If you paid your fucking dues, son, you know the rules done.
Stop, look and listen. Holla back, baby.
Master created from the depths of the underground, where people move to the music of unheard sounds. Open mics, talent shows, nightclubs, summertime block party showcase your love for the art after dark when the battles embark. Rival crews getting sparked, openly scorch the heart. Lyrics are pushed to the maximum, skillfully packing another son top gun vocal with the action. Each MC be a fraction of a whole, dispatching for breath control. Over beats of pure gold, put a hole on my soul at age of 12 years old. I was told to be bold against the grain I flow, never easing up, always heating up the apparatus. Ever since my day of birth, I had this dream of being the baddest. Constant madness, me jockey for the status, to be the next lavish MC with the cabbage. Here's a little something for my niggas to feel. Break them off a piece of that ghetto appeal. If you paid your fucking dues, son, you know the rules done.
Stop, look and listen. Holla back, baby.
Here's a little something for my niggas to feel. Break them off a piece of that ghetto appeal. If you paid your fucking dues, son, you know the rules done.
Stop, look and listen. Holla back, baby.
You laugh, my lyrics smash, cause I mastered this craft. Compared to gunslingers of the old western past. If you trash, you had. If you dope, you might last. Until my posse come and set fire to that ass. Vocal cords set on blast. Weak attempts to intimidate with the ill grill and cut up mask. I just pass. You sweet like a fag, ain't real with your stab. When nigga on your tab. Imposters, leaving hip hop up for grabs. The KRM, JMR, here to bring it back like a savior. Infectiously passed down behavior. Running through squads, towns, terror domes, and mayors. No prayers for your weak impressions, confessions, second guessing. Cause you succumb to the stressing. Representing less than. Coming to test the best man. Lyrics valid in your rectum, respect them. If you think I'm lying, rewind it and check them. I'll be the ready and like the future whole fucking